To fix Discord error Cloudflare server error 1105 and can help you open Discord without getting blocked again. Are you facing this problem where Discord suddenly shows Cloudflare error 1105 and refuses to load or connect? This issue usually happens because of browser cache problems, broken DNS settings, VPN or proxy conflicts, or a temporary block between your network and Discord servers. Sometimes a small network change or corrupted data silently triggers this error without any warning. Many fixes on YouTube or social media feel confusing, ask you to change too many settings, or use long commands that are hard to understand and easy to mess up. On Rexist, I keep everything simple and clear. I discovered a secret easy trick that fixes Cloudflare error 1105 by refreshing connection, clearing hidden conflicts, and restoring a clean link between Discord and the server the right way. You do not need technical skills, and you do not need risky tools or complicated steps. This method works fast and helps Discord load normally again. Make sure you watch till the end, because missing one small step can bring the error back. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that you can follow easily, comment below and tell me you are facing the Discord Cloudflare